It's a clutch off here. That you saw in the video, we did not end up buying. It was pretty loud. Something wrong in the clutch, draw-up bearing, transmission area. The guy wanted a little bit too much, so we decided to pass. But we still got this Farmall A. We got one more tractor to get after we get this unloaded. Let's get fired up. All right, everybody, here's the second tractor we bought today, and I'll tell you a little bit of a story about it once we get it unloaded, which is kind of neat. But another Farmall H made it to the shop. This and that little A over there. So I'll give you a little bit of what we got going on here in a second. All right, everybody, so this is gonna be another one of the episodes where it's not gonna be that long, but gonna be showing you guys what we got ourselves a couple more projects. One I didn't show you yet, but this is the first one. This is a Farmall A, and the tag shows 97680, so I'm gonna put the date right here. This one's in pretty good shape. I do think that this is a wartime one because it's got the solid steel shifter, but the tires on it are pretty meaty still. This one here is on backwards, which I don't know why. Going through this thing, it looks like it's got a newer carburetor, not one of them Chinese ones either. This is like the, you know, the rebuilt one. Generator charges. Not sure if the lights work or not. Actually, let's give them a try. Oh yeah, they work. I have to get a new lens and the right lens for this light. Kind of neat. Tin work pretty straight. Not a lot of dings or dents. Front grille definitely needs a little work. Got some mangling going on there. The biggest thing on these things too are the tie rods on the front, and you know, these ones are in pretty good shape. Another thing that tells me that this is an older Farmall A is it's got a mag on it. But the biggest problem that this tractor has is, let me go underneath here, the rear main seal leaks, or sorry, the front main seal is leaking pretty good. It's leaking to the point where it's just a constant drip, 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 drip. So to do that, and we're gonna do a video out of this, front grille, radiator, entire front axle, I don't know, I'm just gonna call it the axle, but it's the entire real steering arm with the steering box. That all has to come forward, and then we have to put a puller on the pulley and take that off the end of the crankshaft, and then we should be able to pull that seal out. And by the looks of it, the seal actually fell out of the crankshaft. I can see it just spinning in there. Yeah, so that'll definitely do it. That seal isn't even in, so I just got grease all over myself too from somewhere. But yeah, this is the first one. We picked this up. This was in Kirkland, Illinois, so about 45 minutes away from where we are. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. All right, so this is the next one we got. This is a Farmall H, and the serial number is 360187. I'll put the year right here. What's interesting about this Farmall H is this actually used to be our tractor, and it was completely restored, all painted up nice. Now you can kind of see the muffler cracked off. It was held on with freaking barbed wire and string, and I mean, even look at the sediment bowl. It was leaking, so they just put some wire, tried tightening it up. This tire here is shot. They were driving it around with no air in the tire. Fenders. This tire over here is in good shape. Very little bit of cracking. Belt pulley, distributor drive. It's tin works in pretty good shape. I remember this tractor. I was in middle school when my dad and my grandpa at the time sold it. This would have probably been like 2014, 2015, somewhere around that era. But yeah, we got tires for it. This will be a cool will it start video. So yeah, this is the second tractor we got. And then this is a little bonus. We actually picked this up yesterday. Obviously you guys are watching the video. Today is May 30th, so I don't know when the video will come out, but we picked this up on the 29th in Poplar Grove. This is a little cub. It runs pretty damn good. It's got a little Woods 42-inch finish mower on the bottom. You know, it's just a nice little old cub. Never can have enough cubs. They're nice little tractors. It's got 12-volt alternator, new wiring harness, new cable ends, all new belts. It's got a few leaks. A seal for the gearbox for the front steering's leaking, and the oil filter housing is leaking. All that stuff we can address. The lights work. This one runs good. It's got the 15-foot tall exhaust on it. 2 front new tires. 2 new front tires. Either way, I'm starting to turn into Farmall fanatic. I got 3 cubs, and actually today we almost bought a 4th, but you guys could have probably heard in the video that clutch or whatever, that thing was sounding pretty bad. I think the pressure plate fingers in the bell housing where the clutch is were so worn that they were digging into the probably right into the throw-out bearing or even to the flywheel. Something was really wrong in that tractor, but either way, this is a nice little cub. So as you can see, we got at the shop, including inside, we have 2 Farmall A's, 1 A over there and then another A over there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 Farmall H's. 1, 2, 3. One's in the paint room. We have 1 Super H in the shop. We have 3 Cubs. 1 here. That's Smokey Joe. And then we got a low boy inside. We got a W4 and an M. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 12 Farmalls here, guys. So they come in bunches. Sometimes we'll get like, I don't know, 4 or 5 John Deeres at a time. Sometimes we'll get 4 or 5 Farmalls at a time. It just so happened we got 5 Farmalls in the matter of a week. Actually, yeah, 6 of them in a matter of a week. We got 3 last weekend, 3 this weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we got some cool projects coming up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll catch you next time.